Edge Nation, this is Jalil, aka CitizenEdge, and I'm coming through with another banging video. If you're new to my channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to ring that bell to be updated with the latest and greatest of information. I'm back at it again. See, I got the face mask on. Now that I'm inside, let me take it off for a second. Let me talk to my people. So, as you know, it's Sunday, Gunday. Hell, every day is Gunday. But for today, I'm gonna show you what I carry in my range bag. All right, it's basic. I'm not a professional, I'm not an expert in any sort of the notion. Let's get right into this. So, start from the top and work my way to the bottom, okay? So at the top, you have some buckles here. That secures everything in place. You can tighten these little straps here. Have a little snug fit. And before I go to the top, let me actually tell you what's on the very bottom here. A little hood here for rain. So get you a little raining while you're trying to do some pew time. You can cover this up. And there you go. Protection from the precipitation. All your good stuff doesn't get wet. Let me just take this little range condom off and put this bad boy back where it belongs. And let's get right to it. All right, so at the very top, I'm gonna open this little zipper here. I have some extra targets, some paper targets. I personally like silhouette targets. All that fancy stuff is not to my taste. To each his own, it is what it is. As much as to real life as possible. And this only costs, what, 99 cents. I got 2 of those. Also got my Ear Pro ear protection. I don't like the little headsets or the ear muffs that looks goofy as shit. I don't care what style you have. I like to wear the inside the ear protection. And yes, we can get a close up on this because I clean my shit. A lot of dirty motherfuckers out there don't clean their ear protection. Can you see that? Yeah, and the way you would clean this easily, I just do hot water, run that mug over it with some disinfectant soap, get all in between the creases in here. That's some lint in here. Let me get this crap off here. But yeah, no ear wax, you know what I'm saying? Keep my ears clean and my Ear Pro clean. So I can use this. It allows you to maneuver around a bit, you know. Hold on, let me get this around here. Allows you to maneuver, you know. Get your gun. Yes, it's loaded. One is in the chamber. You know, make sure get everything you can maneuver. Nothing's in your way, you know. So once again, do some yeah, I caught it. Some dry fire. Reset. You know, get practice in. Always practice. Practice makes perfect, you know what I'm saying? But that's what I wear for my Ear Pro. Put this back in the bag. Stuff my range targets back there as well. And I try to, you know, empty out the bag as much as possible after each session. Keep things nice and fresh and clean. But as I move on from the range bag, from the Ear Pro and the range targets, move down here, unbuckle these, and up here I have my cleaning kit. Never know. I don't use it on the range too often, but it's always good to have, you know, cleaning kit around here. I actually prefer the rope rather than a rod for the rifle, but I use it primarily for the gun. I'm gonna get a new one because my with the brass like steel connectors, you screw it on top of each other. It takes about 4 of a 16-inch barrel to clean that out. It broke, so you know. But a cleaning kit is always helpful to keep your weapon nice and clean. Also have this for my camera, for the tripod. Always gotta share wonderful shots with y'all, all that good footage. And I'm gonna get down to the meat of the bag. The main compartment have my ammunition. Kind of low. I didn't restock it yet from my
stockpile that I have. You know, primarily carry range rounds here, 50, full metal jackets. Kind of low on my 5.56. Got about 30 left in here. Speed loader, very important. You don't want to hurt your fingers. You want to make sure that you are conserving top-notch performance. And of course, I have these, the critical defense hollow point box, but I actually have full metal jackets in there. All right, always want to have those. But I will restock this once I go to the range again. But I always keep an ammo can in my range bag. Also, in my range bag, I carry, of course, Glock 17 case here. Have the lock inside here. California, you must make sure that your firearm is empty of a magazine from ammo, none in the chamber, of course. Put this through the magazine well and the barrel, lock it up, safely transport. The ammo must be separate from the firearm. Close it, you're good to go. This suffices a case. So that's what I have in the main compartment, but moving down, I also have my medical kit. Just a basic first aid kit. You're gonna experience, you know, little cuts every now and then. I also have a little bit of trauma pad here. Of course, your regular Band-Aids, antibiotics, antiseptic wipes, all this good stuff here. Dressing pads here. It's for your basic bumps and bruises, you know. But for something a little bit more serious, I have, of course, your tourniquet. Keep it, you know, in this little plastic bag here. Normally keeps it in my pocket when I wear my 511 pants, which I'm wearing now, for easier access. Of course, have this for the time you put it on there. Tourniquet here. Recommend everybody take a class. Make sure you, wherever the wound is, you put the tourniquet above it, close to the heart, and tie it tight, okay? All right, so basic medical tourniquet. I just throw this in my pocket here. And of course I have antiseptic wipes, you know, for everyday use. Like I said, cuts, minor cuts for the kids, myself, and also cuts when you're on the outdoor range, especially when you're carrying your target on that wooden pole. If you carry your bare hands, you get splinters. You want to make sure, especially with COVID and all this other crazy stuff going around, you want to disinfect your hands. But I also carry with me, oh, wrong pocket, over here, very invaluable gloves. You know, slap these on, primarily when I'm carrying targets out on the outdoor range, the wooden ones, so you don't get splinters, you know what I'm saying? So you wanna use these, come in very handy. So that's what I have in my main range bag. Throw that over there. And I also carry my rifle in this bag. You know, please comment below, let me know. I'm in the market to get some patches. I'm a proud member of NAGA and a proud member of USCCA. So let me know what type of patches you want to see on my rifle bag and in my range bag as well. So I want to deck it out, add some flair to it, you know. But of course I have my rifle in the main compartment. Right now it's, you know, loaded, we're in a chamber, all that stuff, but when you transport it, yeah, take the magazine out, take it out chamber, make sure the bolt's clear. You just put the ammo, the magazine here. You can carry 4. Hopefully that, you know, 32310 pass, we can carry free and full and true 30-round magazine instead of our 10x30. So that'd be good to know. But also, most importantly, when I go to the range, I always make sure that I carry another firearm on me, concealed. We have too many examples of catastrophes happening when we least expect it, especially African American men being shot and killed at their home, African American women being shot while they're asleep, while they're going to the store, so on and so forth. So what makes you think it won't happen on a range? Always make sure that you carry a firearm concealed on you, on your person, in addition to the ones you carry already in your bag that you plan to shoot. Always make sure you also carry an extra magazine on your person as well for your concealed carry weapon. Like, comment, and subscribe. Follow us on all platforms. Great to see everybody. Hope everybody has fun at the range. If any questions about the things that I carry or suggestions of what you think I should add to my range bag, feel free to comment down below. In the meantime, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Edge Nation, this is your boy, Citizen Edge, and I'm out.
Life is a maze, life is a face. Life is so full of craze. This life, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. Be an ass, drive a wraith, live the mode, but for your drive away. Hold strong, never stray away.